What if I told you that one free AI tool could help you write emails, build websites, solve coding problems, learn new skills, create videos, and even start a business? Sounds unbelievable? Well, welcome to the world of ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you exactly how ChatGPT works, what it can do, and how beginners can start using it today without any technical background. Let's get started. Imagine having an assistant that's available 24 hours a day, never gets tired, and can answer almost any question in seconds. That's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI assistant trained to understand natural language and generate human-like responses. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, you simply ask a question in plain English, and it helps you with explanations, ideas, code, writing, planning, and much more. Think of it as a smart conversation partner that helps you work faster and learn more efficiently. The possibilities are almost endless. You can ask it to write professional emails, summarize long documents, explain difficult concepts, solve programming problems, generate social media posts, create business ideas, plan trips, learn new languages, build resumes, write stories, scripts, and blogs, generate YouTube video ideas, create interview questions, help with homework, and even brainstorm startup ideas. The better your instructions, the better the results. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. Instead of asking, write an email, try saying, write a polite email to my manager requesting 2 days of leave because of a family function. Notice the difference? The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT understands your request. A simple formula is role, task, context, and output format. For example, act as a Java developer. Explain Spring Boot microservices with a real-world example in simple language. That's called prompting, and it's one of the most valuable AI skills today. Let's look at a few examples. Need to prepare for an interview? Ask ChatGPT to generate interview questions based on your experience. Planning a vacation? Ask it to create a complete travel itinerary within your budget. Learning to code? Paste an error message and ask it to explain what went wrong and how to fix it. Creating YouTube videos? Ask it to generate scripts, titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and hashtags. Whatever your profession, ChatGPT can become your productivity partner. Remember these 4 tips. Don't blindly trust every answer. Always verify important facts. Avoid sharing passwords, financial details, or sensitive personal information. Give clear instructions instead of one-line prompts. And keep experimenting. AI gets better when your prompts get better. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work, learn, and create. People who understand AI today will have a significant advantage in the years ahead. You don't need to become an AI engineer to benefit from AI.